Hi, I'm Jess. We use this X5 as a family car and I find it very practical for our daily travel and outstation tours. Actually, I don't even know the car got air suspensions because all this while, it gives us a very smooth ride indeed, considering it is such a high car. But in around July this year, when we sent the car for service, the officer technician told us that there are some leakage on two of the suspensions and the cost to replace them were very expensive. If I remember correctly, it is going to cost me somewhere around 9,000 plus to 10,000 because the warranty period passed already. My husband brought it to a workshop in Puchong and the technicians recommended us this brand. He said if you are looking for a more affordable option without compromising the quality, then this is the only reasonable choice. We then proceed to change it, one at the front and another one at the back. Until now, I'm happy with it. Actually, the passengers behind feel it better. They say the ride feel less floaty and no more nauseous and headache during the long distance travel, especially when my husband is driving it.